What is it about my coaching that you found so impactful?
There are quite a few things, so I'll try to list them all, but I'm sure I'll miss some. You have this quiet confidence about your teaching style, so you're not too pushy, but you're strong, and you let the coachee know exactly what to do, like where to change the voice, or even how to think, what to think about. And that was very valuable for me. That was the first thing. The second thing is I'm all about mindfulness. So, of
Mm-hmm.
course, you're very mindful in your teaching. And what I mean by that was you're in it with me. I
Mm-hmm.
didn't think of you as another person. So you're there
Mm-hmm.
in my journey. You were invested.
Mm-hmm.
And the third thing I remember, you're so good, maybe it comes from the first 2 points, is you do these little tweaks and suddenly the aha happens. For example, towards the end of my talk, there was one part I go from technical mindfulness physiology to a personal story. And at that point, he said, I wasn't getting the expression right. And he said, think about whether or not, there is another thing, whether or not I should mention that, and then say it. And that just clicked it for me, and it worked exactly the way it was meant to. Um, and you also added the humor, which I'm not the best joke person. I get the jokes, but I don't tell jokes really well. But you actually made me funny. So that was in a good way.
That's
That
good.
was really,
Yeah.
I got quite a few laughs, and
Mm-hmm.
that was really helpful. The other thing was also like you actually worked on the content. You didn't care about the time. You were going on. And because you loved it so much without any other expectations, because you were just there with me, for me, and from beginning to end. I started off with thinking we'll do 2 sessions, and we did like what, 8 sessions. I don't know how many sessions we did, but we did a lot, and it was all so worth it.